Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. So you guys have been doing great in your class. You've been submitting your homeworks. So welcome back to our another class for subject science. And today we are going to learn about plants. Okay. So lesson 1, page number 62-63. Common plants around us. So plants are different than trees. Trees, they grow big and they give us wood, strong wood like hardwood. But plants are different. Okay? But like trees, like human beings, plants are living things. Plants are also living things. They breathe, they eat, and they reproduce. Reproduce means when a plant dies, they can grow again. Okay, so plant reproduce, like you can grow another plant from one plant. Okay, and some plants give us food. There are so many types of plants, but some plants give us food, such as vegetable plants. Okay, so some vegetables are grown on plants. So, and some plants grow flowers, and we also have flowers that grow on plants. Okay, or we can say some plants give us flowers, or some plants they grow flowers. And we have vegetable plants that give us food. So here I have a example. First example, like vegetable plants. So vegetable plants means they give us vegetables that we eat. Vegetables mean food. We get food from plants. Tomatoes. Tomato they grow on plant. Okay, so like tomato plants, if you have internet, you can search on Google, or I will post a picture of tomato plants. So tomatoes grow on plant. Okay, cauliflower. So you familiar with tomatoes? What is the color of tomatoes? Red, like a red vegetable. Okay, so tomatoes grow on plants. Cauliflower also grow on plant. Okay, broccoli. So I know you all familiar with broccoli. Beans, like green beans. All the green beans they grow on plants. Peas, green peas. Another example, carrots. So these all are green plants. Okay, green vegetable plants. So some are non-green. So here I will give you one example. Non-green plant, mushrooms. Okay, mushrooms, and one more, mayana. Okay, so mushrooms and mayana are non-green plants. Non-green plants mean you cannot see green color on these plants. Like mushroom, what is the color? Mushrooms are white, or they are a creamy color. So they are not green. So these two are non-green plants. Non-green means we cannot see green on these plants. But all these plants are green plants, green vegetable plants. Like tomatoes, if you see a tomato plant, you will see a lot of green. Same broccoli is a green color. Cauliflower, you will see green color. So beans, peas, and carrots. So all these are green plants. Now we have some flower plants. Like rose flower. lily, okay. So rose flower, lily flower, and there are so many types of flowers you will see on plants. Like at home we have plants, we have small plants that grow flowers. Some plants can grow a little big, like this high, but some plants we can keep inside the house. But the plants that grow big we cannot keep inside the house, we keep them in the garden. But some plants we can grow inside the house, and they grow flowers. So these are small plants. So plants, some plants grow vegetable, and some have non-green, and some plants grow flowers. So this is the end of our first video. I will see you in the next video. Hello students, welcome back to our second video for today's class. So today we are learning about common plants around us, page number 62 and 63. So plants, as I mentioned in the last video, plants are also living things. They breathe, eat and reproduce. Reproduce means they grow again and again. So types of plants. So there are some plants that give us food, such as vegetable plants. Like I mentioned in the last video, I explained in the last video, some plants give us food. So means they give us vegetables. So some plants give us and some plants grow flower. Like we call them flower plants. Okay, they are good for decoration in the house. When you see a flower, you feel good. So if you want to design your garden or make it look nice, you can grow flower plants. Or in the house, sometimes we grow flower plants to make the house look great. Okay, so vegetable plants like tomatoes, cauliflower, broccoli, beans, peas and carrots, and banana also grow on plants, so we call it banana plant. And bamboo orchids are flowers. And cactus and aloe vera is very good for our skin. And cactus. So coming on to your task 1. So as you know, second video is always about task 1. So task 1 is write down 5 vegetable plants. So I want you to open your notebook, write down on your notebook, write down 5 vegetable plants. Write down 5 vegetable plants. Okay, so 5, if you can write down more than 5, you are more than welcome to write down more than 5, but I want at least 5. Okay, you can write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 if you want. Same flower, task 2. So task 2 is write down 5 flower plants. So I want you to write down 5 flower plants. Same, if you want to write down more, you can write down more than 5. Okay, it's up to you. So you are more than welcome to write down more than 5. Okay, so task 1, write down 5 vegetable plants, at least 5. You can write down more if you want. Task 2, write down 5 flower plants. So 5 flower plants, task 2. So these are your 2 tasks to do. If you have any questions or any doubts, you can ask me. So I think this is it in the second video. I will see you in the next and last video. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today's class. Today we are learning about common plants around us. So as I explained you in the last 2 videos, but I will explain again one more time what are plants. So plants are living things. Okay, so most of the plants are green, but there are some non-green plants. So plants are living things. They breathe, eat and reproduce. Some plants give us food, such as vegetable plants, and some plants grow flowers for decoration. Okay, we use them at home. We grow flowers at home to make the house look nice. Okay, so coming on to your homework, your first homework is on page number 65. Draw a line to the word from the plant that tells about it. Okay, so I want you to open your book, go to page number 65. So you can see you have some green plants and some non-green plants. So I want you to draw lines. Okay, so draw lines, the one that are non-green. So first is green plants, and number 2 is non-green plants. So the one that you see is green plants, draw a line to match to green plants. Next page, your next homework is on page number 66. I want you to draw 2 green plants and color them. Okay, so as you can see here, so I want you to draw two green plants. Okay, you can see here. So here are some green plants. Okay, like cactus, peach, orchids, bamboo, banana plants. So you have 5 plants here. So you can draw 2. I want you to draw 2 plants and color them. Okay, after you are done drawing, you can color them. Okay, so don't forget to submit your homework, and don't forget to do your tasks. Okay, after you are done, you can drop it in the group. I will check. So again, homework, page number 65. Draw a line to the word from the plant that tells about it. You have green plants and you have non-green plants, and you have pictures of plants. So draw a line to match with the words. And page number 66, next one, draw 2 green plants and color them. Okay, so these 2 are your homework. Okay, so I think this is it. That's all for today's class. Take care, be safe. I will see you tomorrow morning for your maths class. Thank you.